Hola, ¿qué tal? Hey, how are you?
Bueno, yo me mudé hace 13 años a este país y aquí he estado trabajando en muchas cosas, como ustedes lo van a llegar a ver en este video. I have 13 years here in the United States and I work in many things. You will see in this video. INE, Mexica, Nicatlaca, México Tenochtitlan. Trabajo para pagar mi renta. I work to pay my rent, fixing the house. At the same time I live here. Entonces, como vivo aquí al mismo tiempo, trabajo para pagar la renta, ¿verdad? Pero lo que yo les quería enseñar es un evento especial que va a pasar mañana. An special event for tomorrow. That's what I want to show it to you. And it is called a day for American Indians to be honored. Día de honoramiento a indígenas. Va a ser en la ciudad de Filadelfia. Mañana, Octubre 6 en la mañana. So it's tomorrow, October 6 in the morning. And it talks about different things about Latin America and Native American people. Habla de diferentes cosas de Latinoamérica y de gente indígena de todo el continente. Y pues bueno, yo, una organización que creé con otras personas en Estados Unidos que se llama Olin Yolistli Calmecac, el recinto de la sangre en movimiento dentro del corazón. Hello, yeah, you can call me Brujo de la Mancha, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter to me because the more important they come here, it doesn't matter in Hispanic or mix or have Native American or not. I just want to be clear, the people came here 500 years ago to a place, they don't even knock the door. And now us, we need to knock the door. Why? What we did? We were here, we give food into the tables, we make the zero come true, and we are here for many, many generations. Just please give us a chance to be free again. Thank you.